So again, this is the latest edition. It's not on my site yet. It's Alien 3 Dog Runner Alien wall mount, which is available for sale as a limited edition. Again, if you'd like to contact me through my site to see more stuff, or contact me on the contact details below. martinocatalano.com is my main site, or you can email me direct to inquire about this one. This is 1:1 life size. I don't know if I already mentioned it, just in case I didn't. So it's quite large. The magnification on this makes the hand of mine look bigger actually than it actually is, but it's not. This it's quite big. It's quite big. This. It's quite big. So again, any comments, criticisms, all very welcome. These are made with loving dedication. In fact, this film has been roundly panned and criticised as a creature, but I think it's one of the most beautiful ones in the Alien series. You know, this Alien Queen in Aliens is okay, the other warriors are just meh, but this one, it was like a return to the Giga vision, and it was very sleek and much more organic. And I think Giga contributed himself into this, the design on the film. And it definitely came across. And I've made as faithful as reproduction as I can on it. Let me know your comments and criticisms. Okay, bye.